First, Ben Cousins' longtime mate Fabian Quaid is tonight a convicted drug conspirator. He's been on trial in the Supreme Court accused of plotting to import 44 kilograms of MDMA powder. Senior court reporter Cecile O'Connor has been following the case. Cecile.
Yeah. Fremantle Court. Quaid is a long-time friend of AFL star Ben Cousins. Conspiracy to bring 44 kilograms of MDMA into Fremantle Court. Quaid is a long-time friend of AFL star Ben Cousins, and we can now show footage of the pair together for the first time since this trial started. Interestingly, Quaid was never caught with the MDMA, which is a key ingredient of ecstasy. The case against him relied heavily on secretly recorded phone calls, and the jury heard almost 500 of them during the